Meaning of haptic.
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 Haptic. The term haptic refers to the sense of touch and involves the use of tactile feedback to communicate information between a user and a device. Haptic technology is used in a variety of applications, such as gaming, virtual reality, medical training, and industrial automation. Haptic feedback can be delivered through vibration, pressure, and texture sensations. This technology is important because it enables users to have a more immersive and realistic experience in virtual environments, while also providing real-time feedback that can enhance safety and efficiency in a variety of industries.